Hi, this is Samson Gomes from SGA Designs. Today I will bring you yet another problem in a construction technology where client face huge loss or disruptions in the interiors. If you see this small screw, it's made for the gypsum to put inside. This screw is iron, mild steel. It throws all the rusting outside. What happens? Leave it now. These dots are the rusting which is thrown by the screws. So after the painting is done, every year in the rainy season, when the moisture comes inside, these screws will leave the dots. When you imagine every year a client to paint an entire house of 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 1 lakh rupees expense. So you should always go with GYP screws, Gypsum India screws.